Okay, so for DMR, we need to evaluate the given expression. So you have 5 squared minus 9 divided by 3. Remember, this is order of operations, so you need to use PEMDAS to solve this in the correct order. So you ask yourself, do you have any parentheses? Nope. So I'm going to put my check over it. Do you have any exponents? Which we do, which is 5 squared, which is the same thing as saying 5 times 5. So that's 25 minus 9 divided by 3. And we know that the slash is the same thing as the division sign. Okay, let me bring this to the back. Okay, so looking at 25 minus 9 divided by 3, we don't have, so I put the check over it. So now I'm looking for multiplication and division. 25 minus 9 divided by 3. Okay, so I have division. So I have to do 9 divided by 3. So that's 9 divided by 3 is 3. So I have to do 25 minus 3. So I'm done with that. Don't have any division, multiplication. Now I just have subtraction. So I have to look at addition, subtraction, just subtraction. So 25 minus 3, 22. So my answer will be 22. That's DMR for today. Please make sure that you understand this because this is something that will be on our assessment this week.